Hey there, happy morning senior kids. Once again I welcome you all in yet another class, and this is the Environmental Studies or the EVS class. And today also we are going to continue to learn about landforms. In previous class we had learned about mountain, valley and plains. Today we are going to learn about plateau, deserts and islands. Okay, so these three landforms we are going to learn today. So what is a plateau? What do you think? What is a plateau? Plateau is a large flat area of land that is higher than the surrounding land. Okay, plateau is also a large flat area of land that is higher than the surrounding land. It is surrounded by sloping area like this, surrounding by sloping area and steep rock called cliffs. That it will look like this, a flat land, and it is surrounded by a steep rock called cliffs. Okay, and it is also called as a tableland because it looks like as a table, so it is also called as tableland. Some plateaus lies between the mountain ranges and are good for growing certain crops. Okay, some plateaus lies between the mountain ranges and are good for growing the crops. And this is the picture of plateau. So have a look at the picture of plateau. The next landform is a desert. So have a look at the picture of desert. First, look at the picture of desert. Deserts are large, dry, hot areas of land which gets little or no rainfall at all throughout the year. There will be no rainfall in the place that is called desert. Okay, because desert gets no rainfall, there will be little or no plants in the desert. Since there is no rainfall in the desert, so there may be no rainfall or there may be no plants at all in the desert. Okay, deserts are covered with sand, and we could see the mountain of sand, and that is called sand dunes. So this is the picture of sand dune. Have a look at it. Sand dunes. It is called sand dunes. The sand mountain, that is a hill formed by sand. Next, desert have extreme condition. Okay, days could be very hot and night could be very cold. Next, some of the plants or the tree that is found in the desert are the cacti plant. So this is a picture of cacti plant, dates tree and the baobab tree. This is a picture of baobab tree. So have a look at this tree. Can you see the trunk, which is very big in size? The trunk is very big in size and it could store nearly 1000 liters of water. Okay, there will be 1000 liters of water in the trunk of baobab tree. So what are the trees found in the desert? Cacti plant, dates tree and baobab tree. There are two types of desert, children. One is hot desert, another one is cold desert. Hot desert is covered with sand all the area and cold desert is covered with snow. So the place that is totally covered with the snow is called the snow desert. And some of the animal found in the snow desert we all know very well. That is penguin, whales, seals. Okay. Next landform is the island. So this is the picture of island. So have a look at the picture of island. An island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on all sides. The biggest continent, the continent Australia is one of the continents which is an island. Okay, islands are found in ocean, seas, lakes and rivers. Okay, so the continuous or the series of islands are called the archipelago. Archipelago, that is there will be one after another. There will be series of islands. As we had learned that series of mountains are called mountain range. In the same way, if there are series of island or the chain of island, it is called archipelago. So my native place is Andaman Nicobar Island. So that is also an island. Even that is an archipelago. So have a look at the picture of So this is the picture of Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, children. So today we have learned about plateau. Plateau was a flat land surrounded by surrounded by mountain or hills, and then we have learned about deserts. Two types of deserts are covered with sand, and there will be no rainfall or a little rainfall. Okay, next we have learned about island is a landform that is covered with water surrounding. Okay, children, so can we do the takeaway now? Let's do the takeaway. Kids, since we had learnt about the land from desert, today we are going to make a takeaway of photo frame. So from the takeaway cover, you need to take out a camel cutout and color it like this. Okay, color it like this. Since the animals found in desert are brown in color, so color the camel with brown. And then there is a sand cover, a cover which is packed with sand, and there is a date tree cut out of trunk and the leaf, and this is the photo frame. First we'll stick the photo frame. Okay, so that you have to there is a trick to stick this photo frame. How? Let's see. Keep it here. Now what you have to do, apply the Fevicol. We need to apply the Fevicol. So here when we stick the Fevicol now, so we should not apply the gum here, we should not apply it here, we should apply here this side, because it's a photo frame, no? So we have to apply here, here, and here. The outer line only. Here it will not come. So I'll take it. So we have to apply the gum here. The outer, the three sides only. Okay, and next what we have to do is we will stick this here. Keep it exactly right on the top of this brown color frame cutout. Finished. Next, what are we going to do is take the water gum and apply some glue here in the bottom side. After sticking the yellow frame only, you have to apply the gum. Okay. Be little careful while sticking this. Okay, apply it, and after that take the sand cover and sprinkle the sand over it. Spread the newspaper in the bottom side. Okay, children. So, and let it for dry. Keep it aside for drying. Next, let's prepare the dates tree. Okay. So here, apply the glue here and place it like this. So date tree is all ready. So it is still wet. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to wait until it get dry. Okay. So once the sand gets dry, pick the camel like this and the dates tree in one corner. So you should not apply the gum here. So you should apply the gum only in the trunk part only. Okay, apply the Fevicol, and in this side you can apply it, because this is photo frame. Now how we could use this as a photo frame? The upper part is we didn't stick this, no, so we could insert a photo, maxi size photo here. So I had already prepared it one. So insert this maxi size photo. That's it. Okay, it's all done. It's a little tricky, so parents, you can help your kids in inserting the photo like this. Okay. So that's it. So our photo frame is all ready. So like this you could insert your photo and you can display it in your house. So children, this is our photo frame takeaway. So do this takeaway at your home and insert your photo in this frame, and after that take a picture of it and send it in group. Okay. So kids, with this I am coming to an end of today's class. So today in AVS we have learnt about landforms, plateau, desert and islands, and we had made a takeaway of photo frame. So I hope that you had enjoyed today's class, and until I meet you in the next new day, it's your Rajya saying bye and take care.